Angela Muji.
Ah!
Ito, mga tanong ko sa'yo.
Sige.
What is your top Christmas wish for this year?
Ikaw. Dejo.
Hindi, totoo ako ba?
Next question.
Sagot. Hindi, bala lang. Hindi, wag na yun. Sige. Hindi, I mean, wag na yung ako ba?
Ikaw, pati mo kompleto yung family for Project Bana. So, kasama ka na.
Oh, at least kasama pa ako. Happy na ako dun. Okay, which among my skills or talents do you admire the most?
Your professionalism, you're always on time. Or even earlier.
Wow. And ikaw din, ganun ka na, no?
He's galing.
Is galing.
He's galing.
Okay, number 3. What is it about me that you find funny?
Yung randomness mo, sobrang, hindi ko alam kung weird ba siya or cute, pero I think it's cute, funny, and weird. Yung bigla kang, wala, yung bigla ko isa-shove yung, ano gagawin. Sobrang cute, sobrang fun.
Wow. Smile. Smile. Ang ganda-ganda niya, no, guys. Okay. What time do you usually wake up for Christmas?
So, syempre, dahil magsa-celebrate for Christmas Eve, medyo mas matagal, 12 p.m. ganun. So, celebrate ka na the night before.
Describe your last Christmas in one word.
Happy!
Happy! Paano yung happy?
Yippee!
Paano pag this Christmas kasama na kita, so mas happy ka na? Ganun na?
Ganun na.
Ganun na. Okay.
Happy! No!